Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. I'm so glad y'all loved that video that I did a few weeks ago that was safe versus splurge. Basically me giving you options, dupes from Amazon to save some money in case you wanted the more expensive version. So today I'm back with another one of those with even more stuff and even better recommendations. Everything will be linked down below. You can also check out my Amazon shop for even more recommendations. I also have a tab that is designer look for less, so you get bags, shoes, whatever you're looking for that's kind of like at a higher price point for way less. So super excited to get into it. I have some of my all-time favorites right here, so let's get started. I swear I could do an entire video on just jewelry dupes because Amazon is like the queen of jewelry alternatives for way less that are still great quality. But today I'm focusing on bracelets because these are two of my best finds when it comes to jewelry. So the first one is very similar to the Dior bracelet. It's an embroidered bracelet that people were wearing, you know, pretty often years ago. And I have this one that I got a while back. Now they have so many packs, they have so many different sayings, so many colors. This one is $6. I don't even know how much a Dior is, and it's just so cute. I love a neutral like bracelet moment, and I think this is really pretty. I think this is cuter than the Dior because it doesn't say Christian Dior randomly. It has a ton of like more inspirational sayings, and I think it's very cute. And like I said, $6. Some of them come in a pack for like less than $10. They're just a steal. I have to mention this one, even though I don't really wear it anymore, I don't really find it to be my style, but this is a great alternative to David German. It's a little bangle, and I always recommend it during Christmas time because I feel like since it's adjustable, it's a great thing to gift because jewelry can be so tricky with sizing. It's just a very cute one. I just don't really mix metals like that anymore. But y'all, this is 20 bucks. I've had it, no joke, I need to find the thing, for maybe 5 years now. I'm not even joking, and it looks good as new. Look at that. And I used to wear it every dang day. So if you're looking for an actual great quality bracelet that will withstand the test of time, that's 20 bucks. Look no further. So last Christmas, I really wanted to get the very aesthetically pleasing Vitruvi essential oils diffuser. The actual casing for the diffuser is made out of stone. They come in really pretty colors, but that little thing is literally over $100. It was on sale during Black Friday. I decided to treat myself, and I get it, and I've never been so disappointed. Not only is it so small that you constantly have to be refilling it because it stops diffusing, but it just did not impress me with the quality, the size. I was determined to find a dupe, and I found this one. This is half the price. Actually, it might be less because I think this is $40 and double the size. This is what it looks like. So Vitruvi has a ton of different, very aesthetically pleasing colors. This listing only has the white stone, but I found another listing, same price, that has a ton more colors. So definitely go for the safe because I cannot justify that price. I compared both. This is so much better. Exercise dresses are so popular. They're everywhere. I cannot leave my house without seeing like at least 5 girls wearing them. But this is like extremely expensive. I'm talking like over $70 without a discount. So Amazon has a $20 version that is identical. I have 2 colors. I freaking love it. So in this one, I wear a small petite just because I'm short. In the Amazon one, I wear a small, just regular, and the only difference, or the main difference besides the double pocket, is that it's a little bit longer on me, which might be good for y'all if you're taller. Okay, so I love the Abercrombie exercise dresses. It's what I'm wearing right now, but they can be pretty pricey, especially when you're like me and you want to buy something that you like in every single color. So I found a dupe off Amazon that is half the price and even better. Let me show you. Okay, we have some special guests, but here is the one from Amazon. Same deal with the one shoulder, but the shorts on this one come separate, like they're not built in, so it makes it easy to go to a bathroom without having to take everything off. And it has padding, so it doesn't show anything you don't want to show. I love it. The only difference is that this is a small and I get a small petite in the Abercrombie one. So maybe I could do a different size on this one, but still super cute. I can't believe I didn't put this in my first video because this might be one of the best dupes on Amazon yet. So I did a question in my Instagram stories the other day, and I was asking y'all what y'all wanted me to find on DHgate. And I kid you not, every other response was Lulu belt bag version. And y'all, the original is $38. On DHgate, just for like a little logo, you're gonna pay like $28 or something. You're gonna have to wait 2 months. So to me, it's just not worth it. However, Amazon, on Amazon Prime, has a super similar version, like all the exact same zippers, the same dimensions, the same adjustable, you know, waist strap as, did I say trap? Strap as the Lulu one for $17. I've had this for months now. It's just so convenient to have. Now it comes in so many different colorways. Once again, $17. So $17, $38. So much better. Okay, I already talked about this, but I couldn't resist because I am wearing mine today. Free People has this dress, very similar, I would argue identical, for $78, and almost every color is sold out. I guess it's just very popular. Amazon has a version that I'm wearing, y'all, identical to the T in all the sizes and even prettier colors. I already ordered 2 more. So this one I did review in a try on haul recently. I'm wearing in a medium, and it is a little bit bigger on me. Not to the point where I can't wear it, but it doesn't fit as perfect as it should. So in the other 2 colors, I got the coral and I also got the black, just because it's good to have neutrals, even though the colors are so dang pretty. I got those in a size small. So I would say, if you're taller than me, I'm 4'11", so I'm extremely short, or you don't like shorter skirts, I would suggest maybe getting true to your size. But if you're shorter or you're worried about it being too big, maybe you're like a little bit petite or very, you know, slim, then I would definitely size down. Free People is notorious for running big. I have so many hair favorites, which is ironic because my hair has never looked worse. So you just have to take my word for it. 2 amazing alternatives for very expensive, very popular hair products. Number 1 is this. So the Color Wow Dream Coat is very popular, especially on TikTok. It's supposed to literally coat your hair, make your hairstyles last longer, be anti-frizz, etc. It's great. I've actually used it, but I do feel like it weights my hair down, and it's just very expensive. I think the smallest one is $28. So probably last year, actually, I found this and I cannot quit it. This is my 2nd bottle. This is an anti-frizz serum for your hair that you apply on your damp hair, and then you do your hair. And I swear to God, y'all, I have the frizziest, like wavy curly hair, and it's the only thing in this Houston humidity that keeps my hair looking decent. I swear by it, and it's $9. It's Korean beauty and it's incredible. Also by that brand, I found a great alternative for Olaplex, the Bond Repair Protein Treatment. This one is literally $6. Mine is literally almost out. I don't even want to like squeeze it just in case, but it's almost out, I swear to God. This is probably my 4th bottle, and y'all, I think the size is a little bit different, and Olaplex is definitely a patented formula with a ton of research and blah blah. But if you don't want to splurge and spend 30 bucks on a little bottle of Olaplex and you want something similar for your hair, this is a great alternative. I think it works really well, and I highly recommend this brand overall. I think they have amazing hair products. And then this was a real life scenario. So my best friend was staying with us for Olivia's birthday, and she saw this in our bathroom upstairs and started using it, and she like goes, Philo, I need to know where you got that. And actually I hadn't even used this because Amazon sent it to me, and I've been obsessed with this thing for years now. So I was like, oh, it's from Amazon. And she's like, okay, I can't wait to buy it. She goes on Amazon, and this is $140. It's by the brand Moroccan Oil. So it's a very good brand. It's really good quality. But I don't know, like at this point, I feel like she has so many tools to do her hair that she didn't want to splurge on another one. She swears by T3 and all those. So I was like, well, you should try this one. And here's the, you know, the dupe. So this one is 50 bucks, and there's always like 30, 20, 10% off codes within the listing. This one is 140. I did my hair with, so this one is this side and then this side is this one, and honestly y'all, I cannot tell a difference. I will show you guys a close-up right now, but I mean half the price, more than half the price, and basically exact same results. All right y'all, I wanted to show you what they look like closed up, because with this one I did the left side of my hair, and then with this one I did the right side, but with this one I also did my hair extensions. Here's the thing, I think both are really good and way better than a regular flat iron for straightening your hair, and I really like both the bristles and these little ringlets. Both don't get as much hair out of my hair or out of my head, but this one, like I said, I did use my hair extensions that were pretty tangled, so that's why there's more hair residue. This one though, I just did my head of hair and you can still see some, so we'll see. I'm gonna continue to use this one because I've been using this for over a year now and I love it. I have my Dyson right here and I use this way more, but this one is so dang good that I want to use it more and then give y'all a very good review maybe next month. I've been obsessed with Anthropologie for years now. I just hate their price points when it comes to everything, honestly, but mostly home stuff. I've been redoing our bathroom and I really wanted vintage looking fixtures for everything in the bathroom. So towel holders, things like that. Anthropologie had a sale yesterday. I got an email and I was so excited to finally jump in, and then I see that everything is like $60 for a towel holder, $110, and this is the sale for a toilet paper holder. So I was like, you know what, no. Amazon, however, came in clutch. They have so many similar looking things for literally a quarter of the price. It's insane. So I got this huge pack. This is everything that comes in it for less than $60, and everything is so heavy and beautiful quality. I'm just obsessed. So I had to mention this even though it's extremely random, because it literally happened to me yesterday. I was like, you know what, no. This came in one day, it came beautifully packaged, and I'm so excited. Almost died. I'm so excited to put this together. I feel like it really gives you that look for way less. So guys, that's everything for today's video. If you're enjoying these safe versus splurge videos, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and I'll continue to do them. Y'all know, if you watch my channel, if you follow me on Instagram, that I love saving, I love a dupe. So if I can continue to bring you all these alternatives, I will do so if you'll like them. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to try or what you want me to find an alternative for, because I love the hunt. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.